Good morning, friends. Welcome to SmokeyGood. Thanks for tuning in today. Now, I'm thinking that maybe you just got yourself a new smoker and you're trying to figure it out. You got friends and family waiting to see if you can produce some really great smoked food. Well, you figured out the smoker part is easy, right? You plug it in, load it with some wood pellets, fire it up. But maybe the food part, not quite so easy. So the meat cuts, what are the right meat cuts? How to prepare them, how to season them, what kind of rubs to use, what are the temperatures I should be using in my smoker. Internal temperature targets are always a bit tricky. Why do we smoke a chicken to 160 but a pork shoulder to 202? But listen, SmokeyGood can help. We're smoker cooking made easy. We're here to help. We're going to have some fun. Now, a little bit about myself. I've been cooking for my family for all my life. I've been in the food service industry for 40 plus years. I had the great privilege to work with some really awesome chefs during that time. And I had the good fortune to eat some really amazing food. So I think I can help you. In fact, I could become your secret weapon. Now you can prove to your friends and family that you can cook some amazing smoked food on your new smoker. So, here are a few highlights on what we've been up to so far. I'll see you in a few minutes. These beautiful smoky beef ribs. All right, let's go out to the SmokeyGood kitchen. Hey, good morning, guys. Jim Admins here. Welcome to the SmokeyGood kitchen. But I thought it would be good for you guys to see where these ribs come from on the carcass. We got the chuck short ribs on the top left and our brontosaurus ribs on the top right. Look at this. We're here on the central coast of California, and I know that you tuned in today to talk about pork ribs. And begin to peel it back. Sometimes it comes off in one piece, other times not so much. So let's start with the dry brining. We're going to coat both racks of ribs with kosher salt. It's a simple test. Pick the ribs up like you see here and begin to bend them. Today is all about using your pellet grill to cook some juicy and tender chicken thighs teriyaki style. So we've decided to go with a really great scratch recipe, which is sweet and savory with garlic and a hint of ginger. And we're going to do several different glazing sessions. Today is all about bacon wrapped shrimp with spicy dipping sauce. Here we have our cook's notes with the details. And you can find all the recipe details on our SmokeyGood blog. Well, here's the finished product, my friends. Hey guys, welcome back, and thanks for watching those highlights. I just want to wish you good luck on your smoking journey. It's going to be fun and rewarding, not to mention pretty tasty. But we want to keep on learning, so you can always find us. We're on SmokeyGood.com. We got the SmokeyGood blog. We've got Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and of course, YouTube. So please subscribe on YouTube. I wouldn't want you to miss any of the stuff we've got coming out. But right now, I just want to wish you good luck with your smoking. I hope you have a lot of fun. And I want you to remember, this is smoker cooking made easy.